Alright, this, what is this, April 3rd. Got the first coat of epoxy primer on my Ghia pan. Let it dry. I'll get the second coat on there. The one thing that I didn't show on camera, and I'll add some still pictures somewhere in this video, but I basically cut out the manual handbrake and I'm installing electronic emergency brake instead. That way I can have a higher up console for switches and other things. That's what that big hole is in the tunnel. Almost ready for second coat of epoxy primer. I'll be back. Alright, 2 coats of epoxy primer. And depending on how far I get tomorrow, I'll try to put a top coat on the pan areas. And then an undercoating on the front portion and the trailing arms and underneath. Anyway. That's it for today. Right, okay, it's Sunday morning. I got the gloss coat on the pan. Everything outside of the pan area is gonna have Raptor liner on it. I won't get to that till probably next weekend. Here is a shot of the hatch that I cut into the tunnel so I can remove the manual emergency brake. I ended up cutting a lot of the tubes that were inside the tunnel for the heat exchanger cables and also for the emergency brake because they're not going to be used. This is showing the electronic e-stop emergency brake that I'm using. Also created a base plate that I'll weld into the tunnel. Just doing a test fit inside the tunnel. Here's the other bracket that holds the 2 emergency brake cables. Again, I'm just doing some test fitting. And this is just showing the plates after I welded them in. Ugly welds. To reinforce the tunnel, I added a 1 inch by 1/2 inch by 1/8 inch C-channel on both sides. This is showing the holes that I've drilled so I can spot weld the C-channels in. And they're all welded in. This is showing the hatch cover back in place. This is showing after I've drilled and tapped the C-channels and drilled holes in the cover. You can see I have 10 of the 12 bolts screwed down. The center area where the handle, emergency brake handle used to be, I'm going to cut that out and clean that area up.